we're just gonna make some
We
tutorial.
are videoing in ourselves.
And we're gonna...
Mine.
Bro, this is mine. We're gonna make tutorial how to make this.
And this.
You just needed some paint and some, wood.
Yes.
Like this.
You need
Like
to
this.
make that.
You don't have to
And
make
how
it.
to make this? Put some foam in it. I mean some cotton
And
and scotch tape, and it will make a ribbon for you.
or you can use this. Wait a minute. You can put this. Wait a minute.
Oh my God. No!
And you can use this, the stapler. You
Yes.
can use this.
And put it in my thing. Put it in my things.
Bro, this is not your thing. This is your madam's.
Igan ka mo daron.
Let's go! Wala tao. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we're just gonna make.
I'm just
We
joking.
will-
I'm not. I'm
we
just
will-
four.
We will.
Yes, I'm
What's
just joking. I promise.
What's the codes?
No,
Bro.
I know the codes already.
Here's the codes of the paper. Wait, let's see all the codes. Let's see, gag.
No, my
Bro,
Here's the code. Here's the code, yo.
para ulit. Wait lang.
And here.
Let me borrow, bo.
What the fuck? Hey,
What is this paper?
I'm just joking.
Okay. Okay, try this.
Help me.
Try this all. Try this. It's good. And this. And here's more. Wala ka codes. Yeah, where's the code?
And here's the code.
Code mo na?
Yo.
For the
code.
dress
For
to
the
impress?
prank? No, that's not for just a rest. That's for Brookhaven, bro.
This is code for the
Only
Brookhaven.
Brookhaven, not Very April. Sorry.
Okay.
And y'all.
And now we're just gonna make some squishies.
How to make this
We're gonna make
squishy?
tutorial. But we don't have.
Now I'm using seed. Sorry, guys.
We
I will
don't
make
have.
We will make part 2, okay? We will make part 2, okay?
Okay.
Bye, y'all.
I will make part 2, guys.
Bye.